AmpCon Management Platform revolutionizes data center automate network management, enhancing network management efficiency and security. AmpCon simplifies the process and saves operation and maintenance costs by completing full lifecycle automated configuration management. Experience push-button ease with AmpCon for switch deployment, scheduled backups, upgrades, network security, compliance, and custom automation. After uploading the necessary configuration files and powering them on, AmpCon automatically configures the image and license for the switch, simplifying setup. Efficiently deploy and configure switches with AmpCon's intuitive GUI, enhancing efficiency and scalability. The advantage of the AmpCon's push-button deployment is that simplifies installation and configuration of large numbers of remote switches running the PicOS software. AmpCon Dashboard provides detailed inventory of all switches, so you can see the state of the switches, the license number, the hardware details and more. Automate backups, operation logs and compliance checks with AmpCon's intelligent rollback features, minimizing errors. AmpCon makes it easy and error-free to upgrade your switches to the latest PicOS version. It allows you to schedule a job by specifying the switch group, new software image, and desired upgrade execution time window. AmpCon also can be allowed to create and schedule customized workflows with easy-to-read reports, achieve automate configuration by writing Ansible playbooks. The AmpCon platform enables administrators to download the playbook and replace the keyword, support customize, and simplify network management. AmpCon is designed to manage, monitor, and maintain your PicOS network solution. This improves both security and network link uptime. Welcome to deploy, customize, and simplify network with AmpCon.